The second phase of ascension. We are your Pleiadian brothers. Greetings, Earth siblings. You were destined to be part of this elevated vibrational frequency, this evolutionary shift in consciousness, as it is happening now. Being part of the first wave of ascension, preparing the path for those who will come after you. We, the Pleiadians, the Sirians, the Arcturians, those from Agartha, and many civilizations from other galaxies, who are aiding in this planetary evolution, the evolution of the solar system, and even the evolution of this galaxy, are all here to witness this. There are millions of ships here observing this process, helping and allowing more and more energy to enter your planet. You must already have elevated consciousness to be absorbed into your body. You cannot handle higher-level energies in your carbon body. As you know, you have been told in various messages that ascension has several stages or phases, and you are already in the process of entering phase 2. This phase will be very quick compared to the previous one. It could be said that time itself is accelerating, though it may be a bit turbulent. The truth has been kept in the shadows for so long, because the truth will indeed set you free, not only you, but humanity as well. We, the Pleiadians, and galactic siblings from other civilizations, are ready again at any moment to provide more and more assistance, and our ships will be shown more and more in the coming days, weeks, and months. I am Kara from the Pleiadians, and I now leave you in peace, love, and unity, and know that I will be with you frequently. Blessings to all, Kara. As I transcribed this message, this came to me. We will be relocated to the inner Earth cities. I can only tell you that this is a journey of self-discovery and connection with the divine. The best is yet to come, for those who truly wish to live in a state of love, harmony, and unity. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light at the service in Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.